Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. For today's episode of Burger Week on Cooking with Abbey, we're going to be making fish patties.
Fish patties. Okay, full disclosure, this one kind of hates fish. This one's on fish. We have made some salmon patties here. I have full confidence that they're going to be amazing. But at the end of the day, you know, we're going to have some mixed receptions, whether or not they're good or bad. We opted for canned salmon on these ones. You can 100% use fresh salmon. I would recommend it. The flavors are going to be a little nicer, a little richer. We figured there may be some people out there with canned salmon these days wondering what to do with it. Flip side, you can also use canned tuna with it. Same recipe, same ingredients. Just swap out the fish. Everything will be really good. So where can people find the ingredients for this recipe?
Here or cookingwithabby.com.
Anything you choose to add?
Yeah. If you like this video, make sure to share it.
Oh, let's load that at the front of the video. Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cooking with Abby's official egg cracker is going to crack a couple eggs in that bowl and whip them up. Abby is going to take what is probably her least favorite food on the planet, and she's going to dump it in a bowl, and she's going to get her hands in there, and she's going to smush it all up. So we've got our I keep wanting to say tuna, salmon. We've got a juice of a lemon.
Do I like smash, like crack?
Smushy, McSmushy, till you can't tell.
No, like do I do this first or do I put all the...
add all that. Add that.
So it looks
we've got
better?
our lemon in. We've got our dill in. Dill is so good. It's like my favorite herb. We got some capers, which are my favorite pickle.
This is a pickle?
Well, it's pickled.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know if it's a pickle. I don't know how you define it. We've got
What's
some
it?
garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
And we've got quite a bit of salt, but not really,
A lot of
considering we're
salt.
making probably 4 or 5 patties. Now, get in there.
It's actually not that bad. Oh, I think I found the bone.
That's fine. Bones are good. We're gonna add our eggs now. Oh, Abby found a little bit of a bone. We don't have to worry about bones in canned salmon because they're already softy and gooey. Here, let me dump that in there for you, because if it wasn't gross enough, now you get some eggs in there too. So we're gonna finish mixing this up. We're gonna add our breadcrumbs last so that they don't absorb as much moisture. And yeah, that's pretty nasty, isn't it?
I was like,
Come on, people, it's fun. You always want to make slime.
No, yeah, but last time we made slime, it was really bad. It like went rock hard. I still have it. No.
Well, there you go. You've got slimy slime.
But this is not slime. It's not gooey and stretchy.
All right, stop playing with your food and work it in there. All right, we've mixed in our slime. It's not as slimy as it was. Abs, how about you move these bowls out of the way here? We'll get all the dishes out of the way. Rebecca, dump in those breadcrumbs. And I have found a new secret in life, which I am very, very happy with. You know when we buy, and now you can all mix that in too.
Okay, good.
You know when we buy bread, we have the ends. Now, you know, real true people eat those ends as sandwiches. Not a fan, but I hate throwing them out. So now, throw them in the freezer, keep them. When you have like 6 of them, put them in the oven on super low heat, dry them out, put them in the food processor, and boom, you get breadcrumbs for like free, and you're wasting less. Isn't that good?
First, you have to dry them out. Like you have to take them
That's
out
what
of
I
the...
said. Put them in the oven. You were just focused on this. You couldn't hear me. We are going to finish mixing this up. We're going to come back. We're going to form our patties. We'll be right back. Our mixture is fully incorporated. Our breadcrumbs, our eggs, all of our lovely fish. And as Abby said, what did you say?
It sort of looks better.
It already looks better, and I
But I
told you
still
it
don't
would.
like fish.
You're still not a huge fan of fish. I know, but you know what? Fish is really good for your brain, especially salmon. So, you know what? Every once in a while, it's just okay to eat stuff that we don't love. Except for liver. I hate liver, and I'm never gonna eat it. Never gonna make you guys eat it. And listen, you guys don't hate it, right?
Ginger loves liver.
What did I do here? I just divided our things into 4 little patties. We're going to form our patties.
Oh, that does not look good.
All this talk of patty. Here, you can take your own. I
Your
don't need
patty.
to feed you.
it's so big though.
Yeah.
Actually...
Is it too big for your hands?
Yeah.
Wah, wah, wah. So,
Okay, so Rebecca will make liver.
Back
I
to
can't get this out.
squeezing it a little bit, forming a ball, making sure you get all your edges in. Okay, you dump it back in here then. Maybe we were too eager to get you going. Even thickness with all our patties, right? Why? Because we want to make sure that they
Very
cook
juicy.
evenly. Abby is squeezing out some of the juice. That's a good thing. We're going to form our patties. We're going to put them in the fridge. But first,
I actually did this well.
we're going to put a little bit of breadcrumb on the outside. Why? Nice and crispy. So we're going to finish forming patty here. And again, we squeeze so that we get them a little drier, so they become a little crispier. Right? Nasty juice. Beautiful, beautiful. The best patty I've ever seen in my life.
I have a feeling it may be sarcasm.
Yeah, there's okay. We're going to finish these. We'll be right back with the cooking part. Well, actually, we're going to be back in 15 minutes because we're going to let these sit in the fridge for a bit. Our salmon patties have chilled. They are ready to go into the pan. We are doing ours in a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil. 3, 5, 6 minutes each side. Turn it over. You want a nice crispy, golden, yummy crispness to it. And so we're going to fry these up. I'm going through all of this because this thing gets loud and sometimes we can't hear each other. So that's what we're going to do. Yeah, wrong button. You gotta learn the buttons. That's all. That's on. Our pan has come to temperature. We are going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to do these in 2 batches of 2.
2
Gonna
times
yell at
2.
me.
Go to the side.
You know.
I don't need to go to
You want me to do this so you don't get
No, I
burnt?
want to do it. I want to do one. I want to do one.
Don't get burnt.
I made this one.
Sizzle, Nick, sizzle. We're gonna sizzle away on these and then we'll be right back when they're all done. We've made the balance of our burgers, our fish burgers, our salmon patties. So listen, we're making these as a burger. We're gonna put them in a bun, our homemade bun, which you can find the recipe for right here. You can eat these straight up, right? Like, you don't need the burger part of it. In fact, full disclosure, we're gonna have these for dinner tonight with some potato wedges and some more of the slaw that we made. What slaw, you're asking? We made a homemade slaw. Can people find this recipe somewhere?
Yeah, right over here.
And at cookingwithabby.com, of course, like all of our recipes
And videos.
and videos. Rebecca, how about you put a little bit of coleslaw right there? And I'm gonna scoot to the side and get a knife.
And not little like I do.
Really?
On the burger.
Really? Oh, you mean little amount? No,
Yeah.
dude, you gotta go ham. Here,
No, I want to do it.
go big time.
This is not enough hurt.
Watch. Wait,
Look at it.
you got a lot there. But this is what I mean. I mean a lot.
That's more
Okay,
than a
maybe.
patty.
Yeah.
Maybe I went too far.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Rebecca, abs. Add that patty. Wiping hands down. So,
Can I
toppings.
close it?
Yeah, go ahead. Toppings, anything
Can I
else you
smoosh
want. Like, I wouldn't do, don't smoosh it too much. I don't think this is a, I'm just gonna sit back and talk. Which I love to do anyways. I don't think this is a traditional ketchup and mustard sort of burger.
No.
I'm feeling like maybe some mayonnaise, some
Whoops.
spicy mayo. It's alright.
I love
I think it's
how
okay.
I can't break this at the bottom.
I love
Cut
how
it.
when it cuts open, it's all by layers. So it's all
You can see
straight.
all of the layers.
Straight.
Beautiful salmon patty, cooked all the way through. A little bit of lettuce. I stole your bite.
Yeah, you did.
You go. You take your bites. Do a cheers. Cheers!
Cheers.
I'm gonna eat the leftover scraps on the table because I'm like a
All
parent, and this is what parents get to eat.
Uh-huh.
Told you. That is really good. No, but really, that's amazing. And with a bun, it's even better. I am gonna make myself a little sriracha mayo. Put that on top for a little more kick. Some straight up mayo would be good. You know, some relish, some tartar sauce, anything you would eat fish with would be super good with these. Do we like these? A little lettuce, a little tomato. You hate salmon. I'm not expecting you to love these, but they're not repulsive, are they?
No.
They're actually
like
pretty
them.
good, aren't they?
Yeah, but only with the bun.
Only with
I
the
wouldn't
bun.
eat this alone.
Perfect. So, Burger Week. We are at Hump Day. We're in the middle. We have 2 more exciting recipes left. What do we have? I'm looking over at my cheat sheet. We have our chicken burger,
And our
we have
chickpea.
our chickpea burger. Amazing chickpea burger.
Black bean.
Black bean was yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Wah, wah, wah. Oh, on a bun side, I forgot to mention. Instead of toasting your bun on these, a little bit of butter and like fry them for a hot minute. That would be super good because fish love some butter. What can people do if they like this recipe?
If they like this recipe, like the thumbs up thingy,
Thumbs up thingy.
make it.
We totally lost her. I threw out the question and did it differently, and boom, we're off the train.
No, you have to subscribe to Instagram, Facebook, and you have to subscribe to YouTube and hit the notification bell if you want to see when.
I gotta say, we've done a lot of these now, and the fact that it's such a struggle every time. You like the videos? Please share them with your friends. It's a very simple, easy thing for you guys to do, and it makes a huge difference to us. If you don't love the videos, don't share them. But if you like them, share them with your friends who think they may like it. If you enjoy all of our videos, consider subscribing. And as Abby says, find us on Instagram and on the old Facebook. Because on Instagram, we post a whole bunch of other stuff as well, and certainly behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah.
So, tomorrow, one more burger. What's in tomorrow's burger? Do you remember? I just told you.
Yeah, it's
Chickpea. See you tomorrow for
with that
Chickpea Burger.
burger.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Wait for your pan to come up to temperature. Anything you'd like to talk about?
No.
What do you think about the state of the world right now?
Terrible.
Terrible?
Not.
I
that
think it's
good.
fantastic.
But we're in a terrible pandemic.
Pandemic, schmandemic.